Hello, I am going to show you a quick tutorial on how to access USA Learns in order to create a free account, to sign up for a class, to take a practice test, and sign back into your account after you have created it for the first time. So let's get started. Click on your Chrome browser. The Chrome browser for me defaults to FCPS, so I go to the address bar and I will type in www.usalerns.org and wait for that program to load, which can take a few minutes. Once the program loads, it's going to give us an opportunity to create a free account. Once the main page for USA Learns is fully loaded, you will see that you have options to start now or to sign in if you have already registered. So because we have not already registered, we are going to click the Start Now button. But I want you to remember when you come back next time, you're going to use the Sign In because you have already registered. First-time users use Start Now. Click on that button and wait for the next page to load. When the page is fully loaded, you will see that registering requires that we have your email address, your first name, your last name, and your own password. The reason you're going to register on this website is we're going to start using this for distance learning. And if you register, it's going to save all of the lessons that you work on. It's going to bookmark the lessons so that when you come back, it will pick up where you left off. It's also going to allow you to join classrooms where your teachers will be able to follow your progress and help you with your questions. So let's get started registering. You need to put in your email address, your first name, your last name, and a unique password that has to be at least 6 letters or numbers with no spaces. Then you click the register button. If nothing happens right away, you can look up on the tab at the top to see that this is the website that we're on, Learn English, USA Learns, and this movement indicates that the computer is trying to load a page. So as long as that's moving, there is no need to hit the register button again or to click on anything else. Great, the computer has finished creating an account for me. And I know this because it has my email address here, and it's asked me to confirm my account by going to sign in to my Gmail account. So you can open a separate tab. You need to sign into your own Gmail account or your own personal email, whatever email account you used. You need to sign in and confirm that email. I actually have Gmail open. I'm going to open the email that USA Learn sent me, and I am going to click on the link to confirm the account. USA Learns has confirmed my account as a new student, so I am completely done with that part. Now you have created your account, you've also confirmed your account. So we're going to go back to USA Learns Going back to where it asks us to confirm our email address, and we are going to have you pick this course, First English course. Depending on the results from your test, your teachers are going to put you in the class that is best suited for your level. But for now, we wanted you to be able to see what was available for you in the first class. This class is done in order. If you wanted to actually start the class now, you would come here and click on this First English class, and it would start a video and an explanation of your first class. But we are going to ask you not to do that right now. Instead, you're going to come back up to the address bar, and you're going to put in the website where to start.usalearns.org. Then you're going to hit return. USA Learns has questions that you're going to take. This may take between like 30 and 45 minutes. When you complete this course, you're going to email it to your teachers and I, and it'll help us to figure out the best placement for you. So if you have the time to take this now, if you have 30 to 45 minutes, go ahead and start this quiz now. If you do not have time, you're welcome to come back using wheretostart.usalearns.org when you do have the time. Make sure that you email your results to Ms. Mikulski at mcmikulski@fcps.edu. That's Miss Mary's email address. So I'm going to go ahead and start taking the quiz now. Sometimes while taking the USA Learns quiz, I came across a request blocked page that looked like this. Usually this indicates that the page is unable to be loaded because so many people are trying to take it at the same time. I have successfully been able to bypass this by clicking on the Reload This page. This is asking your computer to go ahead and reload this particular site. And then it's loaded the next question for me and I move on. Great, you've finished the quiz. Now a page will pop up that says USA Learns Where to Start. This will explain that the course that is the best fit for you, and then it explains it in this blue box. Miss Mary and I would like you to take a picture of this screen and send it to us. In addition, if you scroll down, you're going to put your name here, and you're going to put Miss Mikulski's email address here. mcmikulski@fcps.edu. When you hit send, Miss Mikulski is going to get a copy of your results. At this stage, you're going to check back with your email, hopefully tomorrow, one day after you take the quiz, and she's going to send you a link that's going to provide you direct access to your teacher's classroom, like we do with Google Classroom or Khan Academy. So don't forget to hit send. And now that information is being sent to your teacher. You are almost done. I would like to go back and remind you of one more thing before we finish our today's lesson. After you've taken the quiz, you can go back to the main page to usalearns.org and you can sign back in. This time you are signing in as an already registered student. When you sign back in, you're going to have the ability to sign in specifically to a class if you have the link from your teacher. This is similar to signing up to Google Classroom or Khan Academy. So make sure you use the same sign-in that you created your account with and the same password. Hit sign in. Sometimes you need to scroll down a little bit. So from this page, you'll see over here on the right-hand side that you can now go to enroll in my teacher's class if you have the code already. But what Miss Mary and I are really hoping is that you'll just become very proficient at using different websites. And at some point you do have to enroll in the teacher's class in order for us to follow your progress. But if you're just exploring the website, feel free to go through and start looking at some of these things just for your own personal knowledge. And that is a summary of how to create your account, how to sign in after you've created your account, how to take the quiz, and how to share your results. So we'll be using this website a fair amount, so feel free to review this as needed. Great job, guys. You did it.